Stangibelisco here. It is 13 October, Saturday, and it's about 10 o'clock in the morning Mountain Daylight Time. I have a very interesting mystery for those of you who like to track and analyze and are generally interested in the anatomy of hurricanes. And this one involves Hurricane Michael, which recently uh, struck the Florida Panhandle and went up through Georgia and then on out to sea, and retained much of its strength for quite a long ways inland. I watched that hurricane on the national radar loop and saw quite a well-defined circulation, even when the storm was quite a long ways inland. And it was pretty obvious the circulation with the motion of the loop and the radar. And then I decided to look at the lightning map, the current lightning map of the United States. It shows lightning strikes within the last few minutes up to about a couple of hours ago, I guess. I forget the exact site now or the exact name of the site, or I would name it for you, but it is an official site, and I often use it for protecting my ham radio station to see where the lightning is actually striking in this vicinity. But you can also expand it to the entire United States, and it's always current and shows lightning activity. And then it was practically blank in the vicinity of that well-defined hurricane as it appeared on radar, suggesting to me that although Michael had a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and a well-defined circulation, it had very little lightning. And to me, that's quite a mystery. I think what I might do is leave comments open and ask you if you know why this might be, or if those of you who were actually in the hurricane, and there are plenty of you, whether you noticed a lot of lightning. Maybe maybe the lightning map was just not showing correct results or reliable results. But it appeared that this well-defined massive storm had almost no lightning. And I've seen hurricanes like that before, looked at them before on radar and lightning maps. And then there are others that have a lot of lightning associated with them and are otherwise pretty much the same as far as circulation and appearance on radar and things like that. This is a mystery to me. I wonder if you have any idea why this might be. And as I said, if you want to report from the storm zone, did Michael have a lot of lightning in it? I'm sure it had a lot of wind and a lot of rain, no doubt about that, and a lot of flooding. And I'm not trying to make light of this by any means for any of you, because I've been through hurricanes, notably Andrew in 1992. It passed directly over my head in Homestead, Florida, so I know what an intense hurricane is like. And there was very little lightning with Andrew when it passed over. And it wasn't just because the wind roaring was too loud to hear the thunder. You couldn't see the flashes either. It was dark. The hurricane struck at 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's just the mystery and some questions, and I'll leave comments open and see what happens. Stangibelisco signing off. Until next time, so long.